Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to make falling obstacles in your game. So if a character enters some danger trigger zone, then some killing item falls down on him. Simple scripts will be available by the link in the description. Let's see what do we have in our scene. Here is a wall as background, so our scene doesn't look so empty. Then of course we have a cat. Our cat has Circle Collider 2D component that helps to walk on the floor. Next component is Rigid Body 2D, Gravity Scale set to 2, Collision Detection set to Continuous, and Z Rotation is freezed. Last component is Move Cat script that allows us to move a cat with Move Speed set to 7. Let's take a look at this script. It's a simple one, where we just read if left or right arrow button is pressed, multiply this value by move speed and time delta time, and set new position of a character according to these parameters. X coordinate is modified, Y coordinate stays the same. Okay, that's our cat. Next game object is a bucket. Here it is. Bucket has Rigid Body 2D component, which is set to kinematic initially, so bucket doesn't move at the beginning. Z Rotation is freeze too, but it's not quite necessary. Next component is Box Collider 2D. It's round bucket sprite. Let me click Edit button to make it visible. Here it is. This collider interacts with our cat when hits it. It isn't a trigger. Another one, Box Collider 2D, is a trigger this time. Here it is. This collider is stretched down in order to detect if cat enters this danger zone. Okay. Last component here is the bucket script. Let's take a look at it. Here it is. It's quite simple too. Here is a Rigid Body 2D component reference that is assigned in start method. Next method is Ontriggerenter 2D that is invoked if cat enters bucket's danger zone. So if object's name that enters that zone equals to cat, then Rigid Body's is kinematic option is set to false, bucket becomes dynamic and falls down. Next method is OnCollisionEnter 2D that is invoked if bucket hits some game object. In our case, if name of game objects that is hit equals to cat, then we just send the message to console says got it. But of course we can perform any function here, such as destroy cat or reduce its health. That's the bucket. Last game object is a floor that contains some brick elements, and one of them has Box Collider to represent solid surface to walk on. That's it. Hit play and see how it works. Our cat can move left and right, and if cat enters the bucket's danger zone, then bucket falls down. Once again. Let's select the bucket, so danger zone collider becomes visible. If cat enters it, bucket falls down, hit the cat, got it sign appears in the console. That's it. Thank you for watching, see you next time.